Hello everyone, welcome back. It's Meteorologist Blue here with another weather update. So today, we're just gonna So it is turning into a big storm. As you can see here over Little Rock in this area. If you go to here, definitely some warnings, winter storm warning, wind chill advisory. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff going here. And then of course maybe a blizzard up here. No. So pretty much this is just all winter storm warnings. It's just very cold. I would say in Denver the low was like the highs was like 2 today. And then like the low was, and then like it's been like -10 this morning. It's freezing outside. Yeah, it's 4 degrees right now. For the see, look, -14. This afternoon, -9. And then it seems like maybe we get a little warmer. Definitely, yeah, we get warmer, but definitely tomorrow, -14. So yeah, I would keep an eye out for that. It's gonna be -14 tomorrow. Yeah, the high is just -12, but for Denver, -11, and then kind of get high. But I mean, it's not gonna get any warmer. -10, yeah, it's not gonna get really warmer for a while. It is snowing. It's 3 degrees outside. Let's see here. Yeah, it's 4 degrees outside. And this is just, so maybe this storm, I was watching a live stream, they were predicting, I don't know the YouTuber, but they were predicting that this storm may come up this way, like push up. Don't mind how 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't mind how many tabs I have. So this is today. Definitely heavy snow possible for Colorado and some other places, but definitely Colorado. And then if you go to tomorrow, we're gonna get more snow tomorrow. If you live in Colorado and Kansas and these other places too, and New York. And then by day 3, seems like the storm's cleared up. So it's not much coming. There's not much, but maybe the. Oh, okay, so it comes down towards us. So maybe we might get snow once it becomes the 16th. Who knows? Here's this. What was it? Yeah. Oh, I think it's here. So this is the wind. Oh yeah, this is the high. So here's the wind factor. Wind gusts seems like. Texas. I can also today. Yeah. Let's get out of here and zoom out. Let's Seems like different Colorado forecast. The high is 5 degrees and the low is -4 chance. Yeah. So there's lots of stuff going on today and tomorrow, and it's gonna get even. Yeah, of course you have that, and then over here, and then some fog over here, and then definitely just snow. Yeah. And then of course going to Thursday, and it's still like the same. Today. So this is today. So yeah, I hope everybody's staying warm with these with these low temperatures. Definitely, definitely pretty bad. So here's all the warnings for America, and then Alaska and Hawaii. So yeah, definitely a lot of stuff going on in here, but it's just heavy snow across the route. Let me check something real quick. Yeah, heavy snow and strong wind here. I'm gonna read more on this. Heavy, yeah. So, if you wanna pause and read this, you can, or if you wanna take a screenshot, I'll leave it right here, and you can take a screenshot. So take a screenshot right about now. If you haven't, then go back to the time. Yeah, temperatures 40 degrees. Nice. Yeah. Just heavy snow and strong winds expected. Yeah, and stuff. Very cold air by late Sunday. Across, mix, and deep, south could see some, definitely a lot of stuff, and stay safe, and also, so stay safe, especially when it's this cold outside. Don't recommend being outside, but if we do look at the radar here, it looks like there's like a storm here, and then Colorado's getting some stuff, and Salt Lake City is getting some stuff, but there's not actually that much. There's not that much that's going on. Maybe like some, just wind advisories, but definitely lots of stuff going on over here. You have a winter storm warning, flood warning. Yeah, it's 12 degrees here, and it is snowing. -9. Looks like they're not experiencing. Oh, Thursday. The high's 40. What? You serious? And then you go over to Denver, and then you just look at it, and it's -11, and then let's see, Thursday. 38 is the high. Still very cold. And then the low's 12. But tomorrow's the high's 2 and the low's -11. Yeah. So, if you live anywhere, it's cold out, stay inside. Light a fire in the fireplace. Get your air conditioning on. It's gonna be a cold one. And maybe I don't think we'll have any blizzards, but maybe this storm's, like I said, by tomorrow. It's definitely, where's the forecast? Like I said, like it's right here now, but heavy snow possible today. And then tomorrow, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, it's just snow again. Snow. And then low, and then high. So, and then freezing rain possible over here, over on the coast, and then, there's lots of stuff going on, and, let's see, what could we look at? We don't want Alaska, no. Maybe this? This is like this weird, okay. Yeah, so if you want to look at this, you barely can read anything. Yeah, I'm going to get out of this. I can't read that. Color. Oh, you can do black and white. I don't think that's going to work. But definitely there's going to be, maybe this one. There's day 3. Guess, So, there's definitely a lot of stuff going on over the course of 3 days. Sorry. So it's just gonna be very cold tomorrow too. It was like the low was -17, which is the low I've ever seen it for Colorado. And in other places, seems like there may be a storm forming over here in Little Rock, by Mississippi, Jackson, over there. And by Houston right there, and Dallas, definitely Dallas too, and Oklahoma City and stuff. So, like I said, stay warm, stay safe. If it's this bad of a storm, like it may be tomorrow, let me check. I'm not here. Yeah, if you look tomorrow, If you live in Wyoming, Colorado, Kansas, and these other places, especially Ohio, and all these other places over here, only go out if you have to tomorrow, because it seems like it's gonna be snow and looks like heavy snow. Because if today it's just gonna be very heavy snow for Colorado and Utah, seems like. So yeah. I hope everybody does stay safe. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'm Meteorologist Blue signing off. Stay safe, everyone. Meteorologist Blue signing off. Peace.